All right, so we've been doing lots of practice at this. We did a little bit last lesson as well. We've done 4 today here. So with each case, basically the first, so the y-intercept is usually quite easy to see. Where does it cross this vertical line, which is the y-axis, and as you can see, it crosses it at -3. So we know that this number is going to be -3. So it's something x plus -3, which we can just write as take away 3. And then the number before the x, the amount of x's, that's the gradient. Now to work to work out the gradient, we want to first, as I say, draw a triangle, but don't just draw a triangle any old how. Find the two coordinates, find two places where we can easily read the coordinates. So I gave you these x's to move around, and you can see this one here is quite easy to read because the y coordinate is going to be 3 and the x coordinate is going to be 3. Okay, so it goes down to what we can easily see what those numbers are. And this one is already easy to read because it tells you it. So now we draw the triangle. It looks like we've accidentally rubbed off the vertical line, but we can see that the x line is, if I can move this one here, look. Yeah. So the change in x, which is this triangle means change in, is 3 because it goes from 0 to 3, and the change in y is 6, as we can see here. So we calculated that, and we find it to be 2. And so we put that into the equation, and it's y equals 2x minus 3. So lots of practice with that today. If it goes down, that means the gradient is going to be negative. So if you end up getting the gradient to be 2 in this case, it turns out that y equals negative. So the equation will be y equals negative 2x. If the intercept goes through 0, then we would not have a number here. So the equation for this line is just y equals negative 2x, and that's it. No plus anything. Okay. All right. That's it then.